Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. So I got knotless braids done on myself. Yeah, and if you're interested in how I got it done, then keep watching. So first things first, I sectioned my hair, and I think at the back I have about 30 sections. That's just at the back because I didn't want it to be too full, and I used the rubber band method because it's much easier for a beginner apparently. So I just grabbed the first section of hair to be braided. Then I got a piece of extension, held it down with my index finger. It's much easier for me that way, and I kept ensuring that I had a firm grip on the hair. I actually put some gel. That's why there's some gel on my neck. I put some gel so my natural hair could blend in with the braiding hair. Then I kept feeding in the braids, just like you're doing feeding braids, but this time you're not cornrowing, you're just braiding all the way down. And for each braid I added 4 pieces of hair. For this particular one I added 4 pieces of hair, and I also kept checking the volume to see if it was fine by me. Yes. One of the reasons I love knotless braids is, it puts less pressure on the scalp, and at the end everything is just so perfect and looks all natural. Yeah. And if you're new here, thank you for coming to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. It's always a delight to have you around. If you find this video helpful at the end, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this style as well. I want to know in the comment section. I think at this point I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video. I'm just going to pause and come back to do any more explanations that would be needed. Yep. Oh, and yes, I went back to my first braid. It wasn't as neat as I wanted it to be, but you know, I just got to satisfy myself. So I did that all over again, and not like all the braids are as neat as I would have wanted, but you know, it does the job. It really does the job. And we're finally done. It took me hours to get this done, but I'm proud though. Not as neat, but again, it does the job. So I moved on to trim and I dipped in hot water, but I didn't record all of that process. I actually cut the ends too. I didn't record that process too. In my next video, I'm just going to be as detailed as possible. Yay! Knotless braids done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, if you actually got to this point and you're not subscribed yet, I really don't know what's happening. So hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.